Hi friends, how are you? Friends, I hope you are very well and doing excellent. Friends, now in this short video I am going to discuss about the setup and carry forward of losses under the Income Tax Act 1961. Let's get started. Section 20 of the Income Tax Act 1961 deals with inter-source adjustment of losses, and Section 21 of the Income Tax Act 1961 deals with inter-head adjustment of losses. Section 20 says that loss of any source of any head of income can be set up against income of any other source under the same head of income. But there are some exceptions. What are these exceptions? First, loss from the activity of owning and maintaining resources, loss from the speculative business, loss under Section 35 AD, and long-term capital gain loss, means loss under the head capital gain, which is long-term loss. And Section 21 says that loss of any head of income in any assessment year can be set up under any other head of income, but there are also some exceptions. Exceptions are loss from the activity of owning and maintaining resources, long-term capital losses, loss under Section 35 AD, and loss under speculative business. Friends, you should also note that loss under the head